integrate 2 over 4 minus x to the power of 3 with respect to x. So let us change the form a bit. 2 is a constant, so I'm going to write down outside of the integral symbols, and this 1 over 4 minus x power 3 can be written as 4 minus x to the power of negative 3. So the power is not equals to negative 1. So what rule is going to use is the product rule for linear function, ax plus b to the power of n. So how we integrate this function is we copy down ax plus b, the power will plus with 1, then the power will divide with the power plus with 1, divide also with a. So what's next is going to use the rules now. So 2 is constant, copy down 4 minus x, negative 3 plus with 1, negative 2, divide with negative 2, and our a is negative 1. If we simplify this, 2 divide with this is going to be positive 2, so 2 divided with 2 is 1, and I'm going to write down 4 minus x to the power of negative 2 as 1 over 4 minus x to the power of 2 plus c.